So we've got a very nice latest edition BMW M2 in with us here at TTW Installations. This customer's come to us for our signature dashcam installation with the Blackvue range and with an incorporated battery pack as well, so you don't get any problem with the battery drainage, plus also you get a lot more extended time in parking. So I'll just do a quick walk around in terms of what we've done. So in the interior of the vehicle here, we've got the Blackvue camera there, very little wiring, it just disappears up to the top through the binnacle area, and that's basically behind the driver's. On the driver's side you won't really see the camera at all because it'll be masked by the rear view mirror. Then we've also got in the rear, we've just got the rear camera there, which is just positioned up at the top on the side there. We mount it on that side because if we did in the middle, then the cable, we can't actually hide that because then it'll be in front of the rear brake light. So from the outside it'll have an awful looking cable there. So we do it on this side, but because the camera is such a wide angled lens, you don't really notice it's just off center. And then let's go back to the rear, and just in here your battery pack is there, so it's really nice and flush. I mean, you don't even really notice it, but it's just there in the back, fits in absolutely perfectly. Still have access to all the cables and everything if you want there. So if you've got a latest generation BMW M2 or any other BMW for that matter, and you'd like one of our sort of pro installs here at TTW Installations, then please get in touch.